In a busy industrial setting, every movement of a vehicle is about efficiency and safety. Blockbuster promotion. More powerful, advanced driving assistance system. When personnel enter a dangerous area, the system will immediately issue an alarm sound. If the person is too close to the vehicle, will automatically determine and actively intervene to control the vehicle's speed.
Voice alarm, voice alarm, voice alarm. Speed limit, speed limit, speed limit, speed limit, speed limit, speed limit.
Through the DSM camera, real-time capture of driver fatigue and multi-dimensional risks.
No tired driving. No smoking.
With a gentle tap of the finger, parameter adjustment is all done with just one phone. With the help of a fleet management system, easily grasp the operation of the vehicle. Advanced Driving Assistance System is more than just a technological innovation. It is a commitment to industrial safety.